Guys, good morning. How are you today? This is national qualifying examination for school heads in quiz 2024 edition. Our topic for this day is DepEd order or DepEd Memorandum number 82 series of 2020 dated December 21, 2020. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education. This is DepEd Memorandum number 82 series of 2020. Guidelines on the registration of teachers and school leaders for NEP recognition recognized professional development programs and courses 2 Undersecretaries, Assistant Secretaries, Ministry Basic Higher and Technical Education, BARMM, Bureau and Service Directors, Regional Directors, School Division Superintendents, Public and Private Elementary and Secondary School Heads, all others concerned. In keeping with its commitment to giving full support to the in-service professional development of teachers and school leaders to ensure quality basic education for all, the Department of Education, DepEd, through the National Educators Academy of the Philippines, NEP or NAAP, issues the guidelines on the registration of teachers and school leaders for NEP recognized professional development programs and courses. Number 2, the set of guidelines forms part of the strategic program for the upskilling and reskilling of public school teachers and school leaders by giving them access to a wide range of NEP recognized professional development programs and courses that are integrated, aligned to the Philippine Professional Standards for Teachers (PPST) and supportive of their career progression. Number 3, for the first round of offered professional development programs and courses, regional offices are enjoined to submit the list of qualified public school teachers and school leaders, Enclosure C, to NAAP on or before December 27, 2020, following the numbers of allocated slots per regions or per SDO. Number 4, subsequent to the issuance of this set of guidelines, NAAP shall regularly issue calls for registration to programs and courses as they are recognized by NAAP. Number 5, for more information, please contact the National Educators Academy of the Philippines Professional Development Division, Department of Education at DepEd Central Office, Room M-213-A, second floor, Mabini Building, DepEd Complex, Meralco Avenue, Pasig City, through email at nip.pdd@deped.gov.ph or at telefax number 02-8633-9455. Number 6, immediate dissemination of this memorandum is desired. Signed, Secretary Leonor Magtulis Briones. Enclosures as stated. Reference DepEd Order Number 1, Series of 2020, DepEd Memorandum Number 50, Series of 2020, to be indicated in the Perpetual Index under the following subjects: National Educators Academy of the Philippines, Officials, Policy, Programs, Rules and Regulations, School Teachers. Enclosure to DepEd Memorandum Number 82, Series of 2020. Guidelines on the registration of teachers and school leaders for the NIF recognized professional development programs and courses. Roman numeral number 1, rationally. Number 1, Article 14, Section 5, Paragraph 4 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution highlights the policy of the state to ensure that the right of teachers to professional development is protected. Section 5. The state shall enhance the right of the teachers to professional advancement. Number 2, promoting the professional development and advancement if teachers will be key to decisively addressing the challenge of quality of education in the country. A strategic and systematic professional development program will develop greater pride among teachers, rejuvenate their motivate, foster innovate instruction, and inspire better engagement with the learners in the classroom. Number 3, the Department of Education DepEd has undertaken the streamlining of the professional development of its teachers by making training activities programmatic and accountable, effective, linking professional development with career progression, and generating efficient use of resources through the organizational and program transformation of the National Educator Academy of the Philippines under DepEd Order Number 11, Series of 2019, titled Implementation of the NIP Transformation. Number 4, to ensure that all the programs and all courses are aligned and integrated in the wider NIP professional development framework. A recognized process was put in place through the issuance of DepEd Order Number 1, Series of 2020, entitled Guidelines for NIP Recognized of Professional Development Programs and Courses for Teachers and School Leaders. These guidelines stipulate the requirements of the process and recognition of programs and courses offered by NIP, other DepEd offices and units, and non-DepEd entities. Number 5, with respect to the programs and courses offered by non-DepEd entities, Section 19 of the Special Provision of the DepEd Budget under the Fiscal Year 2020 General Appropriations Act provides that DepEd shall work closely with teachers, training institutions in the SUCs such as the University of the Philippines, Philippine Normal University, Development Academy of the Philippines, and other institutions of similarly high repute, including private institutions, subject to pertinent DepEd policies, rules, and guidelines, as well as relevant issuance in engaging partners and learning service providers. Number 6, to ensure that public school teachers and school leaders are provided with appropriate learning and development interventions. The set of guidelines establish the registration process of teachers and school leaders for NIP recognized professional development programs and courses delivered by NIP, other DepEd units, and all authorized learning service providers. Number 7, The registration of public school teachers and school leaders in NIP recognized professional development programs and courses and their completion shall from here on form part of the professional development record, and every teachers and school leaders throughout their tenure in the Department of Education. Roman numeral number 2, scope and coverage. Number 8, this guideline shall cover the requirement, process, and other mechanism for the registration of all public school teachers and school leaders in professional development programs and courses recognized by the NIP Central Office and delivered by NIP, other DepEd units, and authorized learning service providers. Similar guidelines shall be issued covering registration in programs and courses recognized at the level of NIP in the regions. Number 9, a first round of recognition professional development programs and courses offered for registration is enclosure A. Subsequent to the issuance of this set of guidelines, NIP shall regularly issue calls and for registration for offered programs and courses. Roman numeral number 3, definition of terms. Number 10, for the purpose of these guidelines, the following terms are defined as follows. Authorized Learning Service Provider (LSP) are non-DepEd providers that have been awarded formal fixed-term authorization by NIP to provide professional development to teachers and or school leaders within DepEd Order Number 1, Series of 2020. Letter B, DepEd Service Provider (DSP) are DepEd Central Office Bureau Service or Units, DepEd Regional Offices, or DepEd School Division Offices that have been awarded formal fixed-term authorization by NIP to provide professional development to teachers and or school leaders within DepEd. Letter C, NIP recognized professional development programs and or courses are programs and courses offered by DSP and LSP that have undergone the quality assurance process intended to uphold the learning and development standards in the development and delivery of professional development programs and courses provided to DepEd teachers and school leaders through an evaluation mechanism number DepEd Order Number 01 Series of 2020. Letter D, Professionals Development PD credits units are the credits units earned by the teachers and school leaders after successfully completing an recognized and professional development program or course. Letter E, school leaders are head teachers, department heads, principals and assistant principals, school district supervisors, education program supervisor, chief education supervisor at the school divisions and regional offices, school division superintendent, assistant school division superintendent, regional directors and assistant regional directors. These offices perform managerial and supervisory role in the respective levels of governance. See DepEd Order Number 001 Series of 2020. F, teachers are regular or permanent personnel in school and learning centers who are engaged in the classroom teaching of any subject including practical vocational arts at the elementary and secondary levels of instruction. See Section 2, Paragraph A, RA number 7784. Number 4, Policy Statement. 11. The Department of Education is committed to the professional development of each teachers and school leaders pursuant to Article number 14, Section 5, Paragraph 4 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution, providing that the state shall enhance the right of teachers to professional advancement and as a key program towards decisively addressing the challenge of quality of basic education in the country. Hence, the participation of the public school teachers and school leaders in NIP recognizes professional development program must be adequately supported and prioritized. Number 12, it shall be the policy of these guidelines to A. Ensure that the public school teachers and school leaders are afforded with a wide range of programs and courses that are NIP recognized, aligned to the PPST, and consistent with the NIP professional development framework. B. Guarantee that the programs and courses are provided with the appropriate PD credit units. And C. Provide a mechanism that shall capture and register the process of its public school teachers and school leaders in the professional development programs and courses that have been taken in an order to document their proficiencies as well as the identify gaps, and in view of the career progression policy that shall be formally adopted later on by the Bureau of Human Resources and Organizational Development. Number 5, procedures 13. Eligibility. A. As a general eligibility for registration in NIP recognizes professional development programs and courses, public school teachers and school leaders must be upholding of permanent items, have no pending administrative, civil or criminal cases, have not been found guilty of any violation involving moral turpitude, corruption, or fraud. B. Willing to sign and commit to the provision of the NIP recognized professional development contract and willing to prepare and undertake the conduct of a NIP PDP action plan, AP. Letter B. A specific eligibility shall be provided in the recognized program or courses which may include appropriate teaching profession or career stage, grade level assignment, subject specialization, and completed prerequisites. 14. Classification of offered programs or courses. A. For purpose of registration, NIP recognized professional development programs and courses are classified as follows: by service provider. NIP recognized professional development programs and courses may be offered by Department DepEd Service Provider, DSP, which may be bureau service or units in the DepEd Central Office or by the DepEd Regional Offices and School Division Offices or any office units therein. Programs and courses may be likewise be offered by Learning Service Providers, LSP, which are non-DepEd entities that are authorized to provide with recognized programs and courses in accordance with the provision of the DO number 001 series of 2020. Free or with registration or enrollment fee. A program or courses may be offered for free or may charge reasonable registration or enrollment fees as approved by NIP. For programs or courses that charge reasonable registration of enrollment fees, the NIP shall indicate whether it will pay for the said fees on behalf of as direct benefit to the teachers or school leaders, or are optionally available for registration at the personal expenses of the teachers or school leaders. As to number of available slots, NIP recognized professional development programs and courses will be indicated how many slots are available for registration. as to duration of the program or course. NIP recognize professional development programs and course to categorize as short-term program or course which would run for less than 3 months, or as a long-term program or course which would run for more than 3 months. Application A. General rule. The public school teachers or school leaders shall review the list of NIP recognized professional development programs and courses and select which course best to registered or enrolled in considering his or her career stage, case stage, and learning area taught, the identified professional development needs, and eligibility for any specific qualification based on the nature, design, and target of the programs or courses being offered, Enclosure A. The public school teachers and school leaders shall submit their intent to register for a NIP recognized professional development programs or course to the school division office, SDO. Letter of intent, Enclosure B, should indicate the qualification of the teachers or school leaders in relation to the criteria set by the program or course. The teachers or school leaders' willingness to maintain the academic standards and adhere to the program or course required set by the service provider, DSP or LSP, and the teachers of the school leaders' commitment to observe and follow the terms of the conditions, including the implementation of an action plan through the signing of the NIP PDP contract. A specific selection process. There are programs that may provide for a specific selection process other than the general rule under paragraph 15A. The said specific selection process shall be indicated in the relevant programs and the courses within the call for registration. If a specific selection process is provided, it shall take precedence over the general application procedure. 16. Approval of application. The STU shall review and approve the application of the public school teachers or school leaders to register to a NIP recognized professional development program or course based on the qualifications, programs, requirements, or course criteria specially indicated in the list, Enclosure A, unless different selections process is provided. Letter B. Where there are more applications than the number of slots given to the division, regions, the SDOs or regional office may implement a selection process of candidates taking into consideration the requirements set of the program's course under local professional development priorities. Letter C. The SDO shall inform the selection public school teachers and school leaders to register to the online NIP registration form. The SDO shall submit the list registered public school teachers and school leaders to the DepEd Regional Office ROs for proper endorsement, Enclosure C. Number 17. Endorsement by the Regional Office. The ROs shall review the list of registered public school teachers and school leaders submit to the SDOs and shall endorse the same of NIP. 18. Confirmation of registration. The DepEd CO through NIP shall approve the list of forwards the approved list of registered public school teachers and school leaders to the implementing DepEd unit or implementing learning service provider. B. Upon acceptance and confirmation by the LSP of the registration, Enclosure D, NIP shall inform the ROs of the acceptance of the public school teachers and school leaders to the program and courses, Enclosure E, and issue the confirmation of the registration of the public school teachers and school leaders, Enclosure F. Number 19. Implementation. NIP CO will coordinate with the regional offices and DSP or LSP the appropriate scheduling for the conduct of the programs or courses. B. Upon completion of the programs or courses, the DSP or LSP shall submit the final rating of all public school teachers and school leaders who attended their programs or courses in Closure G. Number 20, updating the professional development PD records. NIP CEO shall enter into the individual's professional development record of teachers and school leaders the credit units earned and shall ensure that the said records are maintained and updated. The professional development record of teachers shall serve as the basis for validation and issuance of certificate when requested by appropriate parties. B. There shall be designated an interim registrar within NIP serve as the official recorder and keeping on of the in-service professional development records of all teachers and school leaders. The registrar's function include the verification and certification of enrollment and records and completed NIP recognized professional development programs and courses of teachers and school leaders. NIP shall include the eventual creation of a registrar's office as part of its ongoing organization and transformation. Number 6, duties and responsibilities. 21. To ensure the proper implementation of these guidelines, the following DepEd offices are expected to fulfill the following roles and responsibilities. A. DepEd Central Office through the National Educators Academy of the Philippines provide a complete list of NIP recognized professional development programs and courses in Closure It's indicating the target date of implementation. Approve the list of registered public school teachers and school leaders submitted by the ROs. Provide the DSP and LSP with the list of teachers and school leaders who will be attending a specific program or course. Provide confirmation of registration to the teachers and school leaders. Facilitate the payment of the LSP for the paid registration or enrollment of the teachers and school leaders shouldered by the NIP as a direct professional development benefits to the teachers and school leaders. Utilize all the quality assured and promising NIP PDP action plan in crafting future PD programs and courses. Establish and maintain a system that will record and monitor the process of public school teachers in view of the career progression policy. DepEd regional offices approve and submit to NIP the list of the teachers and school leaders submitted by the SDUs. Conduct a selection process as needed of applicant teachers or school leaders to the programs or courses currently offered by NIP and open the registration or enrollment. Inform the teachers and the school leaders to their acceptance to the programs or courses. Monitor the implementation of the NIP PDP action plan and share promising practices with the different schools and SDUs. See DepEd school division offices. Prepare a list of teachers and school leaders who will attend the NIP recognized professional development programs or courses following the allocation per SDUs in Closure 1. Ensure that the teachers and the school leaders are able to attend the programs or courses. Provide technical assistance to the teachers and school leaders in the implementation of their action plan. The public school teachers and school leaders enroll in the chosen program or courses, sign the NIP PDP contract in Closure Z, attend the programs or courses, submit all programs or course requirements, receive a passing grade or satisfactory rating in the course program enrolled in. Prepare, submit, and implement a NIP PDP action plan in Closure K. E. DepEd service providers and learning service providers. Confirm the list of registered public school teachers and school leaders. Conduct the programs and or courses assigned to them. Provide a complete list of programs and courses recipient with their corresponding final ratings. 4. Submit the documents as may be required for the processing of the payment. Roman numeral number 7, certificates. NIP shall be released the certificate of attendance to the public school teachers and school leaders who attended the NIP recognized professional development programs and courses. Each certificate shall indicate the number of hours and the total PD credits units earned by the public school teachers or school leaders for the program or courses. 24. NIP shall maintain the PD records of the public school teachers and school leaders registered to NIP recognized professional development programs and courses. Roman numeral number 8. Financial arrangement for programs with approved registration fees or enrollment fees. 25. For those to be shouldered by NIP as a direct benefit to teachers and school leaders, NIP shall facilitate payment. 26. For those to be paid from personal expenses, these shall be paid directly by the teachers to the DSP and LSP. 27. For recognized programs and courses that will be implemented by the DepEd service providers for which there is budget allocation from HRD funds, a certification of fund allocation under HRD funds shall be issued along the recognition certificate. The certification of funds allocation shall be enclosed by the DSP in the payment of their financial obligations such as board and lodging, incurring travel expenses and others. Roman numeral number 9, monitoring and evaluation. The implementation of this policy guidelines shall be monitored and evaluated in accordance with the following results indicators. A. Intermediate outcome, number of the teachers and leaders who have met the career stage professional development credit unit requirements for purpose of meeting the qualification standards. B. Output, number of the teachers and school leaders who have registered in NIP recognized PD programs and courses. 29. All NIP PDP action plan implementation shall also be monitored and evaluated by appropriate offices. In the case of the teacher, the action plan shall be monitored by their respective school heads in the exercise of their school leadership function. For school heads, the action plan shall be monitored and evaluated by the school division offices through the public school district supervisors in the exercise of their instructional leadership function, while the action plan of supervisors, whether public schools district supervisors or education program supervisor, will be monitored by the school division superintendent as their immediate supervisor. Reference number 30, Republic Act number 7784, titled An Act to strengthen teacher education in the Philippines by establishing centers of excellence, creating a teachers education council for the purpose, appropriating funds therefore, and for other purposes. 31. Republic Act number 11465, titled General Appropriation Act Volume 1-A of Fiscal Year 2020. 32. DepEd Order number 20, Series of 2020, titled Adoption and Implementation of NIP Professional Development Credits Units Banking Mechanism for Participation of Teachers and School Leaders in NIP Recognized Professional Development Programs and Courses. 33. DepEd Order number 4, Series of 2020, titled Amendment to DepEd Order number 17, Series of 2019, Guidelines on the Provision on the Use of Official Mobile Phones, Postpaid Lines, and Prepaid Loads. 34. DepEd Order Number 1, Series of 2020, titled Guidelines for NIP Recognition of Professional Development Programs and Courses for Teachers and School Leaders. 35. DepEd Order Number 17, Series of 2009, titled Guidelines on the Provision and Use of Official Mobile Phones, Postpaid Lines, and Prepaid Loads. 36. DepEd Order Number 11, Series of 2019, titled Implementation of the NIP Transformation. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. This is review for the National Qualifying Examination for School Head or the Inquest Reviewer 2024 edition. Thank you for following my channel. Thank you for reviewing with us. Okay, so that is DepEd Memorandum Number 82, Series of 2020, dated December 21, 2020. Guidelines on the registration of teachers and school leaders for NIP recognized professional development programs and courses. Thank you for watching. God bless and good luck.